Welcome to Summarize Science. What if an AI could do more than just generate a flat image or video? What if it could dream up an entire, three-dimensional world that you could actually walk through and explore? That's the incredible goal of a new paper introducing a model called Terra, a native 3D world model. Most current AI world models work by predicting video, frame by frame, which is essentially a 2D process. This often leads to strange inconsistencies. An object might change shape or disappear when the camera moves. These models struggle because they are trying to guess the 3D world from a series of flat pictures. Terra's creators wanted to solve this problem by getting the AI to think directly in 3D from the very beginning. Instead of using pixels, Terra represents the world as a cloud of point latents. You can think of these as smart, abstract points in space that hold information about both the geometry and appearance of an object. The AI takes an initial glimpse of a scene, like a 3D scan, and converts it into this efficient point-based blueprint. From this blueprint, it can then generate a complete and detailed 3D environment. One of its amazing abilities is reconstruction. As you can see in these examples, if Terra is given a partial scan with missing areas, like in dark regions where sensors fail, it can intelligently fill in the blanks. It learns to complete partial objects, creating a much more whole and realistic scene. But it can also generate brand new scenes entirely from its imagination. Here, you can see diverse and reasonable rooms that Terra created from scratch, with consistent geometry and texture. This is different from just creating a pretty picture. It's creating a functional 3D space. Perhaps the most exciting feature is its ability to create explorable worlds. Terra can start with one generated area and then progressively expand outwards, step by step. As shown here, it can imagine what's around the next corner, generating new sections of the room that are coherent with what's already there. This process allows it to build diverse room layouts with plausible textures as if you were exploring it for the first time. Because the entire model is native 3D, you could render this exploration from any viewpoint you want. So, to recap, the key breakthrough here is an AI that builds worlds directly in 3D, not from 2D images. It uses an abstract and efficient point-latent representation to ensure everything is geometrically consistent. This allows it to not only create static scenes, but also to progressively generate large, explorable environments. This is a major step towards AI that truly understands the physical world, which could revolutionize everything from video game design and movie VFX to training simulators for robots and self-driving cars. The ability to generate vast, coherent virtual worlds on demand could fundamentally change how we create and interact with digital content.